I think I belong at BGSU Firelands because it's a small atmosphere and I'm able to get help, and there's many resources around that's willing to help me, and I just think I can get the most success out of Firelands. I think BGSU Firelands has helped me stand out because it's a small facility and there's many opportunities and options available to help me reach the maximum potential for my success. A unique experience at BGSU Firelands outside of the classroom for me was having the opportunity to help another student succeed through tutoring, because I want to spread the resources that I am getting and be able to help someone else succeed through those and understand it. I'm definitely going to go far by standing out more and doing the best at whatever I can do and going with every opportunity that's available to me.